Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to get your ID verified in Duolingo. First, launch the Duolingo app on your phone. Now open the app and select your option on how much you know English. Then tap continue to start by reading and responding to the given questions. After selecting the option, tap check to continue. You need to complete the chat by selecting the option according to the questions. Make sure to answer all the questions one by one to complete the chat and then check it. Once your chat is completed, claim your reward by tapping the claim button. Next, tap continue to collect more reward and coins to unlock more scores. You can start a streak, so claim rewards and then continue. Let's commit to learning with the new streak goals. To start, tap select streak goal and then turn on. After that, choose the option of how you like to learn. Following that, select the reason to learn English and continue. It'll ask you to set your learning goal and more goals you want to set. You can now start your streak. You can search for the requirements for the authentication. Now it'll show you a table of documents required to verify the test taker's identity. Finally, you'll be able to verify your identity. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.